just honest travel. Welcome to the Honest Travel Guide. Hello and welcome back to a new review of the Honest Travel Guide. Today we are in Sanadome. It is a wellness and spa situated in the Netherlands in Nijmegen. And we are here for just 2 days and 1 night just to relax because I am pregnant and I need some time to relax for myself. So first I'm going to show you around in our room. We have booked a deluxe room. It is a twin room. And yeah, I'm going to show you how the room is look like. So come with me. So when we enter the room, we have a closet over here. And as you can see, there are some pillows for the chairs outside. There is an extra pillow over here. You can hang up your clothings. There is a fan and even some space for storing your suitcase. Then we continue to the next one. We have here a coffee machine. It is free of charge, but this one you need to pay. I will show you what it will cost. It is not cheap at all. It's quite expensive actually. Then you have some water glasses, wine. Of course, here you have a safe to storage your valuable things. And there is a mini bar, also not for free, of course. Then over here, you can store your luggage. And then we go to the bathroom at the other side. We have a bath, but inside a shower. So you need to be careful because it can be slippery, especially for me. And then we have a sink. It's a big sink, a lot of mirrors, makeup mirror for the ladies. There is some soap over here. It's a little outdated hair dryer. And of course a toilet over here. There is no normal door. It is a sliding door with a milky glass. So don't let the light on at night because it is too light. We go back to the room where we were. There was a big mirror over here, so it's easy to get dressed. Then we have a desk with a little chair, some information books, a lamp, room for charging your mobile phone or other devices, a very outdated phone, a small television, but we didn't use it. There are some paintings here. And then we have 2 chairs and a little table. As you can see, we have a balcony. And then if I turn around, there is the bed. So this is a twin bed because that is easier for me at the moment. And we have on both sides lamps. There is also a heater for the winter because in the Netherlands it can be very cold in the winter. But overall it is a very nice and a very clean room. Some outdated things, but that is no issue for us. Then about the spa, because it's not allowed for filming over there. It's very nice. We've been there before, but we didn't spend the night. Overall, we booked a half board. So we had 2 days entrance to the spa. We had bathrobe, We had slippers, breakfast and dinner included. And we have paid around 157 euros per person. A parking ticket is 11 euros. But it sounds expensive. It is expensive. But the dinner, we had booked the buffet, is very expensive. It is 53 euros. So if you book maybe only for breakfast, well, then you have around 100 euros for just breakfast, a night over, 2 days entrance, slippers, and a bathrobe. So then the price is very nice.
Lekker.
Well, if we look for the spa, it can be very busy, especially in the whirlpools. There are several whirlpools with lavender, with just some special oxygen water. Um, yeah, it's there are whirlpools and they're very busy with people. Um, there are also 2 steam rooms, so there are no saunas. There are only 2 steam rooms. One is with mint, it's 65 degrees, and the other one is eucalyptus. It will be 45 degrees. They are small, so sometimes you need to wait before there is any space available. We were lucky that we were here when it was very good weather, so we also used the outdoor pool, and the sun was shining, so that was very nice. Then the inside pool was very quiet. All the baths have a temperature between the 33 and 37 degrees, so it's always very nice to swim around. Then there is also a salt bath. So when you go in, you can float because of the high intensity of salt. And there are several restaurants where you can eat and drink. It's also quite expensive. For example, for one piece of apple pie, you pay 6 euros. And around 3 or 4 euros for some coffee or some juices. Yeah, but overall it is a very nice and very relaxing experience. We go back to the spa when we are finished with a review to enjoy the last couple of hours. But let me tell you that the food was very nice. It's for high quality, especially the dinner, the buffet. It's only possible on the Friday and the Saturday evening. But it was very good quality. And also at breakfast, there were a lot of choices from bread to different kinds of eggs, pancakes, churros, waffles, yogurt, fruit, anything you can name it, it was there. The only thing I didn't use it, but Frank did use it, was the coffee machine, because everyone is going to have breakfast early. They also all want to have coffee to start their day, and there was just only one coffee machine. So that was a little bit, too less. Maybe a second coffee machine was a little bit better. But overall, it was a very nice and a very good experience. And only for the price, I said, maybe I don't know if I go back again, but it was good quality. So if you want to have good quality and just a night away and just enjoy and relax, then it's a perfect destination if you are in the Netherlands. So we will show you around the rest of the resort, so like the breakfast and the dinner area. And then I hope to see you soon again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.